Today I have come out to Sweden. So I'm in a place called Kullen, and that's in the southern part of Sweden, southwest. There's a little kind of a little peninsula that sticks out with some rocky outcrops, and that's quite the nice place, and expecting to see some pretty good scenery around here and get away with a few images, I hope. Well, today, amongst other things, I got my Pentax film camera. It's loaded with some black and white Formapan 100. I'm going to try mostly to shoot with this Pentax M zoom 0.5 80-200mm, which is a great little lens actually. I really quite liked it. So this is going to be my long lens for today, and I'm also packing some other cameras, but first I'm just going to go snapping some black and white film with this one. Let's see if I find a composition. It's a bit windy, so Fuji GFX is coming out. That's my main reason to shoot this one. So I got the 70, and I also have a bunch of Pentax lenses. Yeah, well, I gotta say it's a pretty nice place this. It's been a fantastic day. The wind has been maybe a bit too strong. Where I'm sitting right now, it's on the lee side of the wind, so makes it quite comfortable. It's easier to talk into the microphone then. But it's a cool place, this, and sure a place to revisit in better conditions. Today it's a bit of a summery blue sky day, which does make for that interesting photos. But I've taken quite a few black and white, so I'll see if anything turns out. Yeah, I recommend Kullen.